I just wanted to do an unboxing today. I have this really cute purse that I got for $9 on clearance. In fact, I'm going to show it to you. My favorite bag, but as you can see, the zipper is coming undone. And I'm really sad about it because it was a really good purse, but I decided to upgrade. So I was watching some sales. I noticed that Marc Jacobs had a pretty good sale. So I went ahead and ordered this bag. It is the Marc Jacobs Shutter Crossbody. I got it on sale for $201. It is the color Cranberry, which I'm not really sure if it's gonna be like a bright red or more of a dark red. So you guys can find out with me. So it came in this box. It didn't say Marc Jacobs on it anywhere. So I was kind of like, is that my purse? Got some black wrapping paper, this lovely envelope that has my receipt and some return shipping labels. Now it's time for the bag. I've never owned a Marc Jacobs bag before. Usually I've bought Coach, but I'm kind of tired of Coach. So it comes in this nice dust bag. It's white fabric. And here it is. And that is actually a very beautiful color red. It's very deep, but still very red.
Is that your purse, Mom?
Yeah, it's not close to burgundy or anything, which I was kind of worried when it said cranberry. I was worried that it would be kind of a burgundy color, but it's not. It's definitely red. It's definitely a very vibrant red. So it's got some padding on the hardware. We will remove.
Almost there. I'm doing the booty dance. Almost there. I'm doing the booty dance.
You're not doing the booty dance. You're just sitting there.
I am doing the booty dance. Booty dance.
It's a really pretty gold. Zipper works nicely. Let's open it up. I can't wait to fill this up. I used to only carry large bags, but I started having some back and neck problems, so I switched to smaller bags. Here is probably the warranty information in the bag. Probably has care instructions, warranty information.
I'm doing the booty dance. I'm doing the booty dance. I'm doing the booty dance.
Okay, now for the part you've been waiting for.
I'm doing the booty dance.
Oh wait, you guys probably want to see the strap.
I'm doing the booty dance. Booty dance. Booty dance. I'm doing the booty dance. Booty dance. Booty dance. I'm doing booty dance.
Now I think with these Marc Jacobs bags, you can buy different straps. So they've got chain straps, different kinds of metal. They have these thin leather straps, and they also have these really cute wide straps that have patterns on them. And I'm probably eventually going to order one of those because I think they're really cute.
I'm doing the booty dance.
I think with this purse, I would probably pair it with like a leopard print. Or maybe rainbow.
Or maybe rainbow. Or maybe rainbow. Or maybe rainbow. Mama, Mama. I like your other purse.
I do too. I'm gonna miss it. See, the straps clip on very easy.
Mama, I love your clothes. This one.
Oh, thank you. All right.
Now what you just said to
There's the bag.
Mama, what you said to your purse?
And it's adjustable strap. Okay, so the purse has 2 different compartments.
Okay.
You see that? And on the top of the bag, it says Marc Jacobs.
It's
Okay, now I'm gonna put my stuff in there. First, keys. What side do I want to put them on? That side. Then, this thing's kind of big. It's got all of my lipsticks. Oh yeah, that fits nicely. I won't be able to show you my phone going in there because we're recording this video. My new Kate Spade wallet that my beautiful daughter gave me for Christmas.
Mama, I feel it. It looks like purse. Ready.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in my... And that's all I really need besides my phone. It looks like it's all gonna fit, so that's good. I'm gonna zip it up. And I could probably even fit some sunglasses in there. So my purse and some sunglasses. And it's not too big, and it actually holds a lot more than it looks like it would. So overall, I'm very impressed. It's a nice kind of buttery, soft leather. It's kind of a matte. It's not shiny.
That's big to that purse.
Yeah, that one's bigger. But I like it a lot. So thanks for watching my unboxing video, and let me know what you think of this Marc Jacobs purse in the comments. And would you buy one if it was on sale? Go to marcjacobs.com because they are on sale right now. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.